this is how I cut my pants. Waist divided by 4 plus 1.5. Whatever I get there, I put it at the crouch length. And then from the waist, I get my knee line. From the knee line, I add 6 inches and I get my calf. And then on the hem, I add 2 inches for the folding of the hem. And then if the person is slim, I'll take out 1 inch. If the person is fat, I take out 1.5 or 2 inches. Okay, so I just go ahead and cut it out. If the person is fat and has a pot belly, that place I took out 1, I'm going to take out 1.5 or 2 to give space for the pot belly. So this is the thigh divided by 2, this is the knee divided by 2, and the calf divided by 2, and then this is the ankle divided by 2. No seam allowance, no sewing allowance in all these measurements I just said. Now you're going to position it this way, and then I'm going to use the front part to trace the inseam. That's the inside of the pant. I'll just trace it equally. When I get around the thigh, I just notch that part, and then I'm going to cut this bottom to make it straight. And then on the bottom area, I'll add 2 inches. I'll add 2 inches here, 2 inches for sewing allowance of both the front and both the back. And then on this part, I add 2.5. Then I'll mark out this place and take it back a little bit. And then after that, on this part, I add 1.5. On this part, I add 1 inch. And then I'm going to rule a line and create a curve to meet that part where I marked. And then I'll add 3 inches, 3 inches, 2 inches for the rise of the back part, and then 1 inch to replace that one that we took out from the front part earlier. And then I'm going to just cut it out exactly like so. If you have a question, you can drop it in the comment section, which will inform my previous trouser videos. See you in the next video.